It's not just a trip, we're chasing the joy of discovery. Since we've come all the way to Japan, we want a trip that will stay in our memories forever.
Wow!
椿泊まりさんのしらすと地元で採れた椎茸を使用しております。
Very good.
It's really good, yeah.
There's a unique sense of tranquility and beauty in Japanese temples.
All right.
Ready?
Ready? Three,
3, 2,
1.
1.
It's very good.
We're going to travel more, so let's stay healthy.
こんにちは。
放置されるとね、土砂崩れが起こったりとかするので、自分たちで山を守っていかないかんっていうんで、手入れをしています。
Right here?
どうもお疲れ様でした。
徳島のお肉です。徳島のお野菜です。
いただきます。
春にまた来てください。取れたてのたけのこができます。
はい、いただきます。
約束だよ。
はい。
Beautiful scenery, delicious food, but more than anything, unforgettable experiences. The mountains, the sea, and the connection between them. It became a journey that could only happen here. No, it was more than just a journey. It was something deeper. A memory we could only have found in Tokushima.